Welcome to this video guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of assembling your wireless charging port. Prepare all the 3D printing parts and electronic parts listed in the BOM. Let's get started. First, assemble the charging port enclosure. Remember to deburr these surfaces before assembly. Align enclosure A side and B side properly and secure both parts together. Second, mount the first transmitter. Plug the short cable into the micro USB port on one transmitter. Place the transmitter onto the transmitter support with the coils facing outward. Route the coils wires down from the thinner edge of the support. Insert the transmitter support with transmitter board into the port enclosure assembly. Next, thread the long micro USB cable through the square hole into the charging port assembly with the micro USB head. Then we can mount the second transmitter, place another transmitter on the transmitter support, route the coils wires down from the thicker side through the routing slot on the support. Insert the transmitter support into the port enclosure assembly. Secure the transmitter support in place, leaving the transmitter board on the top. Next, we will finish the rest of the cable connection. Connect the short USB cable to the USB-A port on the second transmitter. Connect the long micro USB cable to the micro USB port of the second transmitter. Adjust the cable to fit within the enclosure. Connect the long cable to a power supply. The LED indicators on both transmitters should flash in the following sequence. Finally, we can assemble the baseboard to the port enclosure. Congratulations! Now you can test the sensor package on the charging port. Place your sensor package on each charging slot. The red LED charging indicator should light up.